Is it this one?
Present.
Yes, we'll address it. Patrick Gumo, Iria. Mwangi, David Maina Kiama, David Maina Jerry, Jane Waigwa Kiman.
Good morning, Your Honor, for the state, Ms. Kelly, and the team from the ODPP. We have Mr. Mwangi, Mr. Masaru, Mr. Panyako, Mr. Walusala, for the ESCC we have Ms. Nando.
Record, Your Honor, present is the few come out for the past 6, 7, and then accused the person, and also holding brief for Tom Macharia for that accused the person.
Defense come out for the second accused person and holding brief on
Now that there are two, there is another Kamau. Full names.
Lincoln come out.
For Tom Macharia, for Jet Utia, the third accused.
Mr. Kelvin Kubai holding brief for Mr. Tom Macharia.
Yes.
For which accused?
For Jet Utia, the third accused. Maina Kiai, Maina Jerry, David Maina Jerry, David Maina Kiai, Ekiama, and Top Image Consultancy Limited.
5 and 9.
Correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Kelly, you
Okay, Daniel, we have one witness, and we are ready to proceed.
I do swear that the police come out carrying.
Dr. James Kamau Kari.
Position,
The National Service, the owner, and the director in charge of supply chain management.
service,
The owner joined the National Service in July 2018.
where were you working previously?
The owner was working in the Manana County government previously.
When you say previously, kindly define the time.
Okay, Your Honor, this was between the years 2013 and 2018, June, July.
At Mwangi County Government between these years.
Between these 2 years, I was the director in charge of supply chain management, but I was later promoted to be chief officer in charge of supply chain management and project management at the same capacity of supply chain management.
Come up again, kindly.
At first, I was director in charge of supply chain management, but I was promoted to be chief officer in charge of supply chain management and project management, the same capacities.
Chief Officer, Supply Chain Management.
And project management.
So by the time you exited Mwangi County, what was your position?
By the time I exited, I was chief officer, supply chain management and project management. Your Honor, my roles were included but not limited to the following. I was the advisor to the county government on all supply chain management. I was secretary to the
That's
tender.
your roles were?
My roles were, number one, I was the advisor to the county government on all supply chain management matters. I was also secretary to the tender committee. I was also charged with the responsibility of training.
Kindly don't be in such a hurry because you're so trying to understand it's being recorded and the court is also taking it.
Very, very
Yeah,
good.
thank you. You can pick up from number 2, the secretary 2.
I was secretary to the Mwangi County Government Tender Committee.
Yes, proceed.
I was also charged with the responsibility of training staff, new staff. I was also charged with the responsibility of inducting staff.
Okay, before you proceed, you are in charge of training new staff
Yes,
on what?
on procurement matters. I also had the responsibility of making reports to the relevant government agencies. And the last one, amongst others, I was also charged with the responsibility of representing the procurement section in meetings, both internal and external.
Yes, now you understand why you're in court today,
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
why you're here.
I am here in a matter related to procurement of media services in the year 2014.
No matter related to?
Procurement of media buying services. Media procurement of
Yeah.
media buying services. Media buying services.
Within which time?
Within the period of 2014, 2016
Where?
in Mwangi County Government.
2014 to 20?
16, Your Honor.
So what can you tell the court about the issue of media buying services between 2014 and 2016 in Mwangi County?
Sorry, come again.
What can you tell the court, or what should you wish the court to know about the issues spoken about media buying services between that period in Mwangi County?
Your Honor, what I wish to tell the court is that there was a need for buying these media services, and as head of procurement, I oversaw the process of buying these media services from
Head of the,
as head of procurement.
yes.
Your Honor, you allow me to use that word interchangeably, the head of procurement, head of supply chain management, if that is okay.
So as head of procurement, yes,
I oversaw
you oversaw,
the
yes,
process
yes.
of media buying, starting starting with the budget, confirming our budget, confirming that these items were in the procurement plan, concerning that the relevant advertisement was placed in the media,
Confirming that the items were the procurement plan, yes.
and overseeing the tender advertisement, calling in for bids,
Overseeing the tender advertisement, yes.
overseeing, Your Honor, the opening and evaluation of those tenders,
Yes.
and presenting the agenda to the tender committee for adjudication, deliberations, and award.
Presenting the agenda to the tender committee
For adjudication, deliberations, adjudication,
application.
yes, deliberations or discussions, and award.
Yes.
I wish to state from where I stand as a witness on oath that the whole process, as I was weighed, was both legal and regular in accordance.
Okay, we'll get to that.
Okay.
Yes.
Now that you said, let us finish what you said. You wish to state that from where you stand as a witness under oath that
The whole process that you oversaw was both legal and regular in accordance with the existing procurement rules then, because we were in the 2005 Act, we are now in a different procurement regime. But I stand guided on the question. Your Honor, I respect that.
Yes. Now that you've mentioned that the process that you undertook was legal and in accordance with the existing laws, kindly take us briefly through that process, that procurement process as at that time.
Okay, Chair, Your Honor, I will repeat because I said in a procurement process, then I see this now. You start with the budget. There must be a budget
so
appropriated.
the process as it was then was, yes,
You start with the budget.
you start with the budget.
Yes, Your Honor. From the budget, you make procurement plans.
Tonight, payment vouchers, which all have attachments. But I wish that we finish with him, this document and the next document, then we can take directions. I wish to refer you back to payment for 4. That is the minutes of 16 September 2014. And I want you to clarify when you attend these meetings, the general committee meetings.
Yes, Your Honor, I attended.
Apart from the minutes, what else reflects that someone has attended the meeting? Apart from the minutes?
Apart from the minutes,
Yes.
we used to have an attendance register.
An attendance register.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you confirm for that time who used to be the custodian of this register?
My office used to be the custodian of the register.
Come again. You used to have an attendance register.
Yes, for each meeting that we attend, the members present will appoint their attendance. It was a register, and my office will keep the register. secretary and the secretary.
So in terms of managing ourselves, on average,
We shall not take a long time, maybe it might take
so it goes without saying that we will not be able to do any other witness, isn't it? So we'll just have this witness. So please don't bring the other witnesses. We don't waste their time. So we'll get one witness. I'm going by the time you've given. This court is scheduled to visit us at KRA warehouse in another case. For that reason, and with the concurrence of the parties, this case is adjourned to 12th February 2025 at 9 a.m.